Sitali. Sit down on the floor or on a chair in a comfortable position. You may keep your feet cross-legged if you're sitting on the floor or stretched out in front of you if you're seated on a chair. Now gently close your eyes and breathe normally. Take a couple of breaths. Now roll your tongue like a tube such that it is partially outside your mouth. In case you're not able to roll the tongue, you may place the tongue behind your teeth. Let both the upper and lower teeth be touching and joined as though you're grinning. This is the starting position. Now inhale through your mouth such that the air flows through the tongue or the teeth, whichever is your chosen starting position. As you inhale, gently raise your head and neck. Let the chest be opened as you move your head upward. Bring your tongue in a natural position. Hold your breath as you bring your chin down to starting position. After having reached the starting position, exhale slowly through the nostrils. Let's repeat this 6 times. Roll your tongue, inhale through the mouth, and as you inhale, bring your head and neck upward, gently raising, opening your chest, and then bring your tongue to natural position. Hold your breath, come back to the starting position, and after you reach the starting position, gently exhale. Do this 4 more times yourself. Come back to natural breathing. Gently rub your palms and cup your eyes. Open your eyes slowly and smile.